a pre-owned 2006 Ford Explorer XLS. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 135,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.